Hello everyone. Welcome to HOMELIFTCNC. We are a professional manufacturer based in Suzhou, China, focusing on precision sheet metal fabrication, custom metal enclosures and residential home lift solutions. For years, we have been dedicated to providing stable quality, cost-effective custom products and one-stop services for clients all over the world. Today, let's walk through our factory and learn more about our production strength and product lines. Quality starts with raw materials. We stock a full range of metal materials, including carbon steel, galvanized steel, aluminum, and stainless steel with different thicknesses. All raw materials will go through strict incoming inspection before storage. We use classified storage racks to avoid material mixing, making sure every raw material meets production standards for your finished products. Our workshop is equipped with complete advanced production equipment to support full process sheet metal manufacturing. We provide laser cutting for precise blanking, CNC bending for neat forming, and professional welding technologies, including spot welding and TIG welding. We also finish punching, shearing, assembly, and surface treatment in-house. From small prototypes to large-scale mass production, we can control every production link tightly to guarantee accurate sizes and stable structure for all custom metal parts. Our main custom products cover a wide range of metal enclosures for multiple industries. We produce waterproof electrical enclosures for outdoor power systems, solar battery and energy storage, cabinets for renewable energy projects, medical equipment boxes that meet hygiene requirements, as well as server racks and network cabinets for IT infrastructure. All enclosures can be customized in size, internal structure, surface color, and installation methods, fully adapting to different working environments such as indoors, outdoors, coastal areas, and clinical rooms. Besides sheet metal enclosures, HOMELIFT is another core business of HOMELIFTCNC. We design and manufacture safe, quiet, and space-saving residential home lifts, together with matched elevator sheet metal components. Our lifts are available with load capacity from 200 kilograms to 850 kilograms, suitable for villas, private houses, and small buildings. All products comply with international safety standards. Up to now, our products and services have been trusted by clients from Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and other regions, covering automotive, medical care, telecommunications, construction, and many other fields. As a mid-sized manufacturer, we support flexible order quantities, fast sampling, and on-time delivery. We also provide professional design suggestions to optimize your products and control costs. All products are manufactured under ISO 9001 quality management system. If you are looking for a reliable partner for custom sheet metal parts, metal enclosures, or home lift systems, HOMELIFT Inc. is your ideal choice. You can send your drawings, samples, or project requirements through our official website. Our team will reply to you quickly with a detailed quotation and technical support. Thank you for watching. Welcome to visit our factory and cooperate with us. Please check the link below for more information.